Danny Venn's Caramel Hasselback Apples with Hazelnut Crumble. Start by preheating the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Then line a baking tray with baking paper. Core the apples and cut in half. Place one apple half, cut side down, on a clean work surface. Place a chopstick along either side of the apple, then use a sharp knife to thinly slice the apple down to the level of the chopsticks. This is a clever trick to stop you from cutting all the way through the apple. Repeat with the remaining apple halves. Next, melt the butter in a small saucepan over low heat. Stir in the sugar, cinnamon, and a little water until smooth and combined. Place the apples flat side down on the baking tray with the star anise. Pour over the butter mixture and pop in the oven. Bake basting with butter mixture for 35 to 40 minutes or until the apples are tender. While the apples are in the oven, make the hazelnut crumble by combining the flour, hazelnuts, sugar, ginger, and cinnamon in a large bowl. Add the butter and use your fingertips to rub the butter into the dry ingredients until well combined. Press the mixture together slightly, then place on a lined tray. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden. Set the crumble aside to cool slightly. To serve, divide the apple among serving plates. Sprinkle with the hazelnut crumble and add a dollop of cream. To finish, drizzle with the pan juices. These caramel Hasselback apples with hazelnut crumble are a simple yet impressive dessert